So it's a very simple structure, and after a simple structure, this is what I already say, that you cannot sell the structure, but you can sell the animals. So the structure is too cheap to the amount of animal that is existing here. I think you can see animal feedlot. My work is just to let you know that things are possible. And when you look at what these animals are feeding on, these sugar tops. Sugar tops, there is some maize bran, then there is some little silage. But this guy's work is just to sit, eat, defecate, take water, and put on weight. So they don't use a lot of power. But actually what I want you to learn from this is exactly in Uganda. And these things are really happening, and they are very simple things to do. They are simple structures to do. Some of you do even have very expensive structures, very expensive. But when you look at the kind of animals that you really have there, they are not even equivalent. The kind of animals that you really have there, they are not even quarter of the house. And what we look at is the animals themselves. So you rather stock more animals and the technology than having a better structure, but in the cost of investment, because what we sell is the animals. So this is a simple feedlot, and this is a very good project somebody would really learn